Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check charts on the YouTube Music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the Explore button down below, which is the second option. And after that, if you go to the home page, you are going to see that there are three options at the top, and click on the second one, charts. Here you can select your country. So scroll down till you find your relevant one that you would like to change it for. And then you are going to see the top music videos here. You can browse through all the results by clicking on the more buttons. So here are the top 100 music videos in France. And if you scroll down, you are going to see the top artists, the trendings. So you are able to play them, add to the queue, download them, or edit them to your library. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.